So, what makes you you? Is it your genes or your upbringing? Let's get into it.
This whole thing kicked off with a really simple question from a cousin in India.
And it sparks this huge question about our own identity. It really makes you think, right?
So, first up, genes versus environment. This is the classic nature versus nurture debate.
So, how do we figure this out? Well, scientists have a pretty powerful tool: twin studies.
And get this, a massive study of 14 million twins found a pretty surprising 50-50 split. The main takeaway? Your DNA and your experiences play a nearly equal role in making you who you are. And when we're talking about just personality, genetics only accounts for about 40% of the difference.
That means your surroundings, your environment actually have a bigger impact on your personality.
Okay, so let's dig into that environment piece. How does culture literally shape your brain?
Well, psychologists say that your culture physically rewires your brain's pathways over time.
For instance, culture totally changes how you see yourself in relation to other people.
In one brain scan study, a specific brain region lit up when Westerners thought about themselves. But here's the wild part. That same region lit up for Chinese participants when thinking about their mothers. It shows just how deeply culture can weave the idea of family right into your sense of self.
And these differences go way beyond identity. They actually change how we see the world around us. In another cool study, people were shown underwater scenes and just asked, hey, what do you see? Westerners tended to focus on the biggest thing first, like the one large fish. But Japanese participants, they described the whole scene, the background, the relationships between things. So culture can literally train your brain to zoom in on objects or see the whole picture. Now, obviously, this stuff is complicated. Researchers are always careful not to oversimplify these things. Okay, so let's bring it all back. What does this all mean for you? It means you're not just one or the other. You're a mix of your genetic hardware and cultural software. You are so much more than your DNA. You are the places and people that shaped you. So that kind of leaves us with one final